So I did a thing. After spending an unreasonable amount of time convincing myself that my old MacBook Air was perfectly fine, I walked into an Apple store and walked out with this. Today is officially new laptop day. My trusty rose gold MacBook Air has carried me through countless projects, but it's time for an upgrade. I just picked up the new 13-inch MacBook Air that's built with the M5 chip that promises better graphics and also has Apple Intelligence built in. Today, we are doing the unboxing and side by side setup. Buying a new laptop is never just buying a new laptop. It's excitement, financial trauma, and then the terrifying question: how do I move my entire digital life from one Mac to another without losing anything? And this is the part I love: that completely untouched Mac. No random screenshots, no 50 tabs open, no files called actual final. The setup itself is surprisingly straightforward. You pick your language, region, accessibility settings, and connect to Wi Fi. And then comes the most important bit. I was worried about transferring my data over to the new MacBook. I have hundreds and thousands of files and apps to migrate. Apple's migration assistant makes this process so painless. All you need to do is place the two devices side by side, use the pairing code, and let the peer to peer wireless connection do its thing in the background. Once the migration is complete, your new MacBook is ready. Your files are there, your apps are there, your settings are there. My apps like CapCut was even logged in, which was such a relief. Everything suddenly feels faster, cleaner, and more exciting. And this is my favorite thing about upgrading within the Apple ecosystem. New device, but very little starting over. And now the real test. How long before I completely cluttered this MacBook as well? Maybe give me a month. Follow for more.